Hello everybody, this is one of my videos for the series that I make for currently for the Suzuki Jimny 5-door Jimny, which is available in India. Right now what we're looking at is one of my designs. It's called the envelope table. I've just got it assembled, it's ready to be shipped. It's a great honor to make this for one of the customers who had requested it. On a first glance, he asked me whether he can get some changes made, and it did help me get some more creative ideas to it. And to be very frank, for people like this, it gives us a great opportunity to work more flexibly, get things more creative, and improvise every time. I'm glad I have a lot of friends and family members, and people who don't even know me, but they really help me and encourage me basically to get these things done. So getting back to this, I just want to say that this is actually an envelope table which is way thin, about 3 centimeters maximum thickness, which goes on the tailgate door of the Jimny, Suzuki Jimny. Right now it's in the closed position. I was just showing you the thickness at what it is at. It is actually half of what the original plastic molding which comes on the door. Let me just show you that as well. Here you can see the difference, the thickness between the original plastic molding and this one. Yeah, don't mind the background, the table and all the mess around. This is where I work, one of my places. I get my time to experiment a lot on this.